Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bar and download this app from this developer called Send Anywhere. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then you need to select Receive on Flip and Send on Samsung. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with, for example, this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Flip, choose while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into File Manager app, click on In My Case Images and go to Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!